In this video, I will show you how to connect your Forex.com account to MetaTrader 5. First, go to the Forex.com website. In the menu, click on Accounts and choose the MT5 account option. Select MT5 again, then click the green Open Account button. Enter your personal details to create your account. Once your account is set up, Forex.com will send you the login credentials you need for MetaTrader 5. After you have your login information, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. In the top left corner, click File, then select Open an Account. In the search bar, type Forex.com and click Find Your Company. You should see the servers listed. For example, if you are in Europe, you might see StoneX Europe Limited. Select the correct server for your region and click Next. Choose Connect with an existing trading account. Enter the login and password you received from Forex.com. Then choose the correct server type, either live or demo, depending on your account. Once everything is filled in, click Finish. You should now be connected and ready to trade on MetaTrader 5 with your Forex.com account. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick and simple trading guides.